Hey, hi there. Right, another great opportunity for me to share a little bit about a client conversation I've had. We've always been told the same thing: save steadily, top up a CPF, work hard, avoid risks, follow the rules, and you'll be okay. For many of us, that worked us, especially my father, my mother. It gave us housing, it gave us stability, and it gave us predictability. But here is the quiet truth: what if you still want to grow, explore, reinvent yourself in your 60s? I mean, people say 50s is your new 20s, 60s might be your new 30s. Yeah, with life expectancy increasing, with policies now looking at actuals more than 100 years old, that is really possible. That's when the crack shows, because you realize the plan doesn't stretch with you. Right, it's not about tearing down the system, it's about building on top of it. It's about building on top of the securities that you have. CPF is a good security, but how do you build on top of that as you stretch and grow for the many years in front of you? Security is a start, and I hope freedom is your goal. Talk to us.